One question, Maharishi, is about life after enlightenment. When a student graduates from your system of consciousness-based education and lives in enlightenment and fulfillment, what then should this graduate choose to do for his adult life?
Then begins life. Whatever he would like, that will come true for him. He'll find a red carpet in any direction he wants to go, anything he wants to achieve, to his choice. He will be capable of steering the course of life as he wishes. Wherever he wants to land on the other side, he will land. He'll be able to live life as he wants, without worries, without problems, without tension, without suffering. Then the life begins, in right earnest, life begins. This is educated life, this is educated life, not a life of the ignorance. If he goes through the education, then he is an educated man. And if he suffers in life, so he has not gone through education. Huh? Very, very good, remarkable thing. You rule the world, you rule the universe. You'll be served by all the planets, everything will be at your disposal, just at your disposal.